Okay, it's Monday, but Saturday, May 16th, I guess really finished it. I put on a whole new wiring harness. I mounted these lights here. Previous to that, of course, I put in the power feed here. This drives it back and forth like this. Can I do this one hand? I gotta get help. And then of course up and down is this switch here. Turns that motor, which raises it or lowers it. Put in the new battery. So the guards are now complete. Really totally done, unless I add 2 more lights to it. And already making some interesting stuff. I really like this piece. I think I'm going to have some stuff like this that's more art than lumber. I seem to be drawn to that part of it. This is kind of cool stuff. How about that for a mirror frame? You know, put a mirror behind it. I think it's kind of neat myself. Could be a picture frame. Put a photograph of somebody there. How about the umbrella stand? Just ideas. I don't know. Anyway, it's all mounted up on this trailer. 18-foot trailer. Hangs all the way up to the end. And I should be able to put the Bobcat on the back of the trailer along with the bandsaw. Then I can drive to a location, pull the Bobcat off, pick up logs and load them on here, cut them up into lumber for people, and let them unload the pieces. So it's really done. And it works really well. Really pleased with it.